back for each fire.
I'm so scared.
Put my muffs on. Did you pull it back?
Nope.
Okay. You can get a feel for the gun. Just don't let your finger stay out like that. You gotta have it in the trigger.
Well, yeah.
Oh.
I'm not ready for it yet, though. Oh, I'm nervous. So I'm holding it right, though?
What?
Am I holding it good enough that it's not gonna freaking...
No, keep your arm out so it locks your elbow, and you'll be fine. Just hold it strong and steady, and you'll be just fine. I've seen other women shoot these things. Hold it all strong and steady. See? So I see you now. You know you can hold it though.
Holy shit.
That's the baby ammo. Just hold it strong, steady, and you'll do fine. See the water in front of it. You only got two more. One more.
It hurts.
Oh, it'll sting your hand a little. Wow, that one was close.